Welcome. Whether in daily life or meditation, cultivating an aspiration for truth is the most powerful way to build your life and meditation practice. Let's look at how it works and how to do it. At the end of your meditation practice, there is a window when the meditation is finishing and you are preparing to return to your daily activities. This window is a precious moment when your energy is open, your mind is empty, and the alignment you have made between your body, mind, and higher self, the universe, can listen and respond. It is also a time when there is a superior stillness or calmness, a peace, a sense of being lifted up, held, blessed, or filled with light. This is a time when spiritual beings such as angels or God or gods have seen you, the little spiritual flame that you are, and your sincerity. They are responding by bestowing grace upon you. It is truly a beautiful experience. Alignment of your body, mind, and higher self brings all the benefits you experience from meditating, including a flow in your daily life. By higher self, in this case I mean your ego, capital E, that eternal part of you residing inside the creation, and your self, capital S, the part of you residing beyond this creation. Watch out for a video coming out soon called Spiritual Perspectives. What is the Self? Prayer, on the other hand, is an address, such as a petition to God or a god, in word or thought, such as saying a prayer for the success of a voyage. Or it can be a set order of words used in praying. It can be an earnest request or wish. That's a typical dictionary definition from Merriam-Webster. The risk is that your prayer comes from the mind. A great analogy for prayer and aspiration is you make a phone call to talk to an angel or God, but you don't dial the number or there is no dial tone. Nothing's going to happen. Hence the importance of that alignment that comes from entering a meditative state where alignment of your body, mind, and higher self takes place. Prayer in a set order of words can be like a ritual process that potentiates connection to spiritual worlds and beings. Aspiration is a turning upwards in an attitude of active and open receptivity. It is an opening in you from you towards spiritual worlds and spiritual beings. Aspiration is fueled by the spontaneity of the ego, that eternal part of you I have referred to before. Check out this video. Aspiration is a powerful feeling that creates a resonance with high spiritual realms and the beings who dwell in them. Aspiration also creates a receptacle for high spiritual beings to give help. At this time, it is appropriate to ask or aspire for what you want. Aspiring with sincerity can bring remarkable results very quickly. However, it is important to note that if you are merely grasping for material comforts, you are likely to be disappointed. The universe, spiritual beings like angels, gods, and God are generally benign and want the best for you. The problem is that what they see as the best for you and what you see as the best for yourself are most often completely different. They can see your timelines from this lifetime to the end of time, and if you've met a certain person or had such and such an experience, then this would speed up your spiritual evolution by 5,000 years. A completely different perspective? Indeed, because what they really want is for you to be reunited with the divine. Now here is one of the ways you can expedite and align your wanting or desire with your spiritual practice. Possibly the highest aspiration you can make is to aspire for truth. Truth or rightness is the thing that can set you free from attachment to situations, your mind, and its beliefs. Truth brings clarity, and in its burning light brings an opening and an opportunity of change to the areas of your life that need it. Truth is what helps you to attain alignment with the non-physical parts of yourself, namely your ego. In that alignment comes the potential for you to step into the fullness of who you can be. Truth is something that resonates with your higher self. Your higher self, including the ego, capital E, is the part of you that loves truth. It is the part of you that works to lead you back towards yourself and truth. You may indeed have seen people who have ignored their truth. They may have achieved great things, but in the end, they may end up losing everything because they haven't followed their truth. Don't hesitate to aspire where you are facing difficulties in your life. Preferably, you will do that when you hold that sense of connection to spiritual worlds and beings. They are waiting to give, to bestow grace. You will be surprised at the response you can get. I have lots of personal experiences over the years I'd love to share with you one day. Now, if you have experiences where aspiring has helped you, feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. I will share some of my experiences as well. So how do you aspire? When your meditation is finished, turn your whole awareness up above your head. Aspire for what you want or need, or simply aspire for truth. This is not about being spiritual. It's just about wanting to lead a good life. It's about bringing change into your life so that you can achieve your potential as a human being. It's about living your life in truth. Often when you read spiritual literature, you can get a sense of aspiration, even if it is not called that. Sometimes the descriptions are a bit confusing, but nevertheless, it's clear that aspiration is an important part of meditation practice and spirituality at large. Here is an example from Mahatma Gandhi opining, "Prayer is not asking. It is a longing of the soul. It is a daily admission of one's weakness. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without a heart." Now that's aspiration for you. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to see more videos with tips, techniques and context to help improve your meditation, like and subscribe, and more content will be on its way to you shortly. Thanks for watching.